You know, I like JB Weld products. I started out with the original cold steel way back when, but I had to do a plastic repair. See, at the end of the day, when I'm done with the table saw, I have to remove the crank. I don't always remember to remove the crank. At the end of the day, when I put the table saw away, without remembering to put the crank here, lo and behold, the crank snaps off. So I had to do the repair. So I busted out JB Weld Original Cold Steel. Original Cold Steel is good for metal, most plastics and PVC. That's the catch. Wood, concrete, ceramic tile, fiberglass. It sets in 4 to 6 hours and cures in 24 hours. And so I applied it about 3 years ago. Add the steel, 50-50 portion. Mix with your extra room key or old debit card or old credit card. Apply it to your surface. But it failed. One more time, I forgot to remove the handle, and the JB Weld Original Cold Steel did not hold. It snapped off and broke again at the very same point. The issue I was facing is they don't sell these separately, and I don't know how to fabricate or print one. And so I really needed to get this repaired. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to replace the table saw. I don't wanna do that. It's a perfectly good running table saw. And so I had to get this repaired with a product that I can rely on, that I can trust. So by this point, I had invested in the vast assortment of JB Weld products, including JB Weld Plastic Bonder. Now, the JB Weld Plastic Bonder is ideal for plastic and PVC, fiberglass, concrete, metal, wood, and tile and ceramic. A lot of the same products. JB Weld Plastic Bonder sets in 15 minutes and cures in 30 minutes. So, let me try it out. So I applied the JB Weld Plastic Bonder. Much the same way, it's an epoxy with the product and the hardener. Mix it together and then apply it. We're going to squeeze out equal portions on our work area. And I draw it back just a little bit. And I reapply the cap. And then I mix this up thoroughly. One's the plastic and one's the hardener. It's already setting up. That's amazing. Now this is not clear weld. This is going to show. But I kind of want it to show because I want to see my repair. Scoop off a supply. And get this on there. It's kind of runny. So keep that in mind. I let it cure. Now, for good measure, I wasn't up against that 30-minute window, so I let it cure overnight. Gave it some extra with the clamp. And it's holding a lot better than the JB Weld Original Cold Steel. In fact, I've forgotten to take the handle off a couple times, and it still holds. Now when I raise and lower the blade, I don't have to give it that gingerness. Turns out the original Cold Steel did not hold as well as the plastic bonder. If you're in a pinch and all you have is JB Weld Original Cold Steel, go ahead and use it, give it a try. But if you have time to get JB Weld Plastic Bonder, for plastic repairs, I recommend you use JB Weld Plastic Bonder. For more informative videos, click the image on your screen now. I'll see you in the next video.